Hi, this is Susie Dingle with a quick tip on how to propagate your tomatoes. I made these cuttings from last year's tomatoes at the end of the summer, or actually even into the fall, and I took them from suckers from the tomato plants. I did this because I had trouble finding these Sunsugar tomatoes last year, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough plants to begin with at the beginning of the year. Now this is one of the tomato plants that I actually propagated, but I can show you what I mean. They grew really well, in fact, really well. So here's what they look like. This is now April. You see this shoot here that's going off on the angle? Those are the suckers that we are told that we should be cutting off anyway so that the rest of the plant can develop the fruit. So this is what you want to nip off and then put it into water. Last year I cut off a bunch of these and put them into water, and I'll show you that in a minute. But do wait until these are 6 inches long, because if they're any shorter than that, I found that they just didn't develop roots very well. So I waited till they were 6 inches long, nipped off the bottom leaves, and put them into water. So this one actually was just like what I did last year, but I started this from these recent suckers. Here are the roots. You can see it's just in the water there. And I will be planting that into a pot of soil like this, and then waiting until I know that it's really established before I plant it in the garden. But these other ones that I planted out last fall are ready to go into the garden as soon as I know the temperature is warmed up here enough for it. These pots, by the way, are out of core. That's coconut fiber pots. I do love them. I hope that helps you keep your very favorite tomatoes going, and also just prevents from having to buy new tomatoes every year, as long as your tomatoes that you're propagating from are looking healthy. Until next time, keep dreaming in the garden. Bye.